Building a high-converting website relies on understanding the psychology of your potential buyers. Through this understanding, we can inspire action from our audiences and move them further through the purchasing journey. So what does a website need to include to do just that? Today, we're going to cover the 5 essential things your website should include to inspire action from your audiences and convert them from just a potential to a customer. Number 1, have an offer above the fold. This refers to everything that the visitor can see on your website before scrolling down. Without an offer above the fold, prospective buyers don't know why they're on your site and what you are going to help them with. An offer is not to be confused with a lead magnet or a call to action. An offer solves a problem or adds value to your ideal buyers. Every offer used above the fold should do one or multiple of the following: promise an aspirational identity, promise to solve a problem, or state exactly what they do. Number 2, utilize 2 direct call to action buttons. We want to use 2 call to action buttons in 2 separate and specific spots on our website. These buttons should reflect our main desired actions or the products or services you offer. One button should be placed at the top right corner above the fold, while the other button should be placed at the center towards the bottom. Why? Well, you can see it in this example. This guides the user's eye in a Z pattern and ensures your call to action button cuts through the noise, and the button in the center towards the bottom can also become 2 buttons that you can use and have a secondary offer. Number 3, images and videos for success. Well, what does this mean? The images and videos on your website should not be meaningless, but should instead evoke emotional and psychological connections with your audience. Multimedia elements help your visitors visualize the end result and use your products and services. They show your audience that you have helped others before and you can do the same for them. Look at this example of the Adobe homepage. The banner moves through illustrations, suggesting the endless possibilities with Adobe, or this King Living aspirational banner that highlights the luxurious lifestyle here. Number 4, use very few words. Yes, I know, sometimes it's hard to distill everything your business can do for the customer in just a few words. But let's remember, in today's day and age, people have limited attention spans. Just look at the popularity of TikTok, Twitter, or Instagram. That's why it's so crucial to use very few words, with some great images or visuals to get your point across. Make sure your website copy is concise, clear, and to the point, and avoid using ambiguous fluff that could apply to any industry. How can you do this? Here are some tactics you can keep your text short on your website. Use read more links in sections where you want to include longer copy so that you don't bombard users, and provide the option to read more. Replace paragraphs with images and videos. Reduce the whole paragraph into 3 or 4 bullet points. Summarize sentences into bite-sized sound bites. And that's it. Now, there are the top 4 things to remember. But as a business, regardless if you're offering products or services, you want to remember one last point. Number 5, bite-sized breakdown of your products and services. A bite-sized breakdown of your products and services is a quick summary of what your business does and provides for your customers. While it's important to use few words in these highlighted sections as not to overwhelm and deter potential customers, these links to other and more detailed pages can be put in. For example, if you look at Vital Home Health Services, you can see some highlights of the services they provide and a summary to them for potential customers to understand some of the options, while having the option to go into those other pages to see more specific and informed information. Or if you're an e-com, something like Norda's site, organizing your products by visual categories can be a great choice to instinctively guide your users on their journey. And that's it, the 5 essential things your website should include if you want to generate success. To recap, have an offer above the fold. Utilize direct call to action buttons, use images and videos for success, use very few words, and create bite-sized breakdowns of your products and services. To learn more about creating a highly converting website, head over to our resource center at redpandas.com.au. There, you can explore all your content needs and questions, and if you don't find it, you can always ask Elena.